And we're live. Welcome to the stock market update for March. What is today? March 7th, 2019. Yeah, stocks are down again. And today it was the ECB, the European Central Bank, that sent stocks down. Let's take a look at this. Let's jump to the charts here right away. Here we go. So right here we see the Dow Jones. And as you can see, the Dow Jones down the whole week. Now the fourth day in a row. Oh, you don't see my camera anymore. Let me see. How do I bring the camera back? Here we are. Okay. Yay. All right. So also what happened today, since the markets closed lower, both the S&P and the Nasdaq are below the 200-day moving average. That is the red line that I was drawing here on the chart. So the red line, the 200-day moving average, a key technical level that traders are paying attention to. And now both the S&P and the Nasdaq below this key level. So what happened today in the market? So let's just go back here really quick. So today it was European Central Bank's President Mario Draghi who said, and I quote, that we are in a period of continued weakness and pervasive uncertainty. And because of those concerns, the ECB lowered their growth forecasts, and they said they will hold off on interest rates hikes until at least the end of the year. All right, that sounds all fancy. So what are the key stocks that were in the news today? And you see, retailers are right now getting hammered. So let's take a look at some stocks here. So yesterday, we had Target, who reported better than expected earnings, and they jumped up. Let me just get rid of the 200-day moving average. We don't need that anymore. Let me see. How can I delete it? Should be easy enough. There we go. So yesterday it jumped up, but today also down. Then we also had Kohl's yesterday with better than expected earnings, but today, as you can see, a sharp decline. Now, talking about stocks in the news today, Kroger, the grocery store, got hammered today. So Kroger down 9.95, almost 10%. And then also the Burlington, Burlington Stores are down here today 11.9%. So this is something that is actually concerning. Once retailers start going down, I mean, this is when it means that consumers are not spending as much, and it could be a sign that the economy is slowing down. So, or could it be that everybody is flocking towards Amazon? Well, you would think, but let's take a look at Amazon here really quick. No, AMZN. So also Amazon down, as you can see, over the past few days, today 2.8%. So one of the news that Amazon released is that they close their pop-up stores. What are pop-up stores, by the way? Let's take a look at this. Amazon sharpens its physical store focus. It's shutting down all of its 87 pop-up stores. Do you know what these pop-up stores are? Let's see. Let's actually Google it. Pop-up stores, Amazon. Well, let's see. So the pop-up stores, let's go to images. Oh yeah, I think I heard about this. It's a store-in-store concept where they are in major retailers. Don't know exactly what you're doing there at the Amazon shop. You can probably get, looks like some Kindles and some Alexas, whatever. But you see, I looked into this, and because I was getting a little bit concerned when major retailers are reporting worse than expected earnings, and especially when you see Amazon declining, when you see Burlington declining, Kroger's declining, even Kohl's, Macy's. So there's quite a few, and here's what I found. I want to show you this article because this was quite interesting. So in 2019, more than 5,300 stores are closing. And Business Insider, where I found the article, says, as the retail apocalypse drags on. I don't know if it is a retail apocalypse, but it's pretty interesting. So if you look at the stores, as an example, Payless Shoe Stores will close 2,500 stores. Gymboree, 805 stores. What else? Family Dollar, 390 stores. Shopko, don't know what they are. Shopko filed for bankruptcy. Never heard of them. Have you heard of Shopko? Hey Connie, hey Debbie. Liz said I shopped at one in Austin. Really? I didn't even know they existed. Chico's, women's retailer closing. Gap is closing 230 stores. And the list goes on and on. Sears, obviously, 70 stores, they filed for bankruptcy. Wow, look at this. Who knew? Even Victoria's Secret is closing 53 stores, and they say citing a decline in performance. See, it's just something very interesting. Seeing what's going on here in the market, let's just go back quickly to the Dow, because this year the Dow Jones lulled us in. We had the scare. All indices, whether it's the Dow Jones, S&P, or NASDAQ, we had the scare that the indices were crashing, right? Markets are crashing October, November, and then December, shortly before Christmas, we had this scare. And then in January and February, everything is fine, right? But doesn't seem to be this way. We have been going down here for quite a while. And now the news that major retailers are closing their stores, and even the big online guys like Amazon. And here's another one that I looked at today. Baba, you might have heard about Alibaba, the big holding group. Also here, as you can see, a steep decline today of 3.72%. So, what does this mean? Well, it means that I am convinced that we will see a sharp decline in the stock market in 2019. Now, today, Mario Draghi from the European Central Bank already said it. It's going down, and he revised his forecast from 1.7% growth to 1.1%. Major retailers are closing stores. Overall, 5,900 stores will be closed in 2019. And even the online guys like Amazon or Alibaba are going down. So, where does this leave us? What do we do? Well, I must say today I had a really good day with the stocks that I'm currently trading. And the stocks that I'm currently trading have all been up today because I was betting on a falling market. And of course, then when the market falls, these stocks are doing well. So if you would like to know exactly of how I trade, what I do, please go to mytradingroutine.com. And this is where you see a 35-minute video where I show you exactly how I find the best stocks and options to trade, when to enter, when to exit. So just go to mytradingroutine.com and you see exactly what I do in these crazy markets. All right. Hope this helps, and I will talk to you very soon.